Hi, this is Dawn Crawley, and I am in Seven Lakes North, just outside of Pinehurst, North Carolina. This is a horse farm that is in the gated community of Seven Lakes North. It's a lake community for boating, fishing, skiing, swimming. And this is a unique property. It's 9 acres, 4 acres of fenced pasture. And at the top of the pasture is a riding ring, which I'll show you in a few minutes. It is being offered for $149,000, and there are several places for home sites, a barn, or a run-in for your horses. And living here at this horse farm or owning this property will give you access to all the amenities in Seven Lakes North, including lakes, pools, tennis courts, and community center, and the riding trails, which go adjacent to the property right along here, as you can see, as part of the trail. This is the road that leads to the top of the property. All this wooded area to the left is part of the 9 acres, but there are several places you could build. To the right here, these are pear trees that are beautiful in the spring, covered in white flowers, and now you can see the fall. The trees are starting to change. Here is another view of the woods across from where the pasture is established. Again, here's the pear trees and the pasture. There is city water to the property. It is on a private septic system. It has been approved for, I believe, a 4 or 5 bedroom home, including a bathroom in the barn. And there is electricity, cable, or DSL internet access. And of course, you can always use satellite television. Again, here's another view of the wooded area where you could build a home. Perfect for a walkout basement. In fact, if there's a possibility of putting a pond in at the bottom of the hill. There's the road that leads to the exterior of the property. And here's the pasture. This area up here was originally going to be the barn. The family that owns this has decided not to build here. That's why it's for sale. But that was going to be the barn designated area. I'm standing at the area that was going to be where the barn was built. Still is a perfect location for that. There's the pasture. Again, the tree line part of the property. See some additional fencing materials that they would be glad to leave here for anybody who wanted to purchase the property. And this is the riding ring that was installed. And you can see some of the homes that are part of Seven Lakes North directly adjacent to the property here. And that's the little baby running in the field over there. Oh, he just stopped and went to his mother. He was born here earlier this year. The riding ring, they had it professionally installed with proper footings. A little bit of Christmas decorations there. It's really a very, very nice riding ring for practice. Or if you wanted to teach, you could possibly use this for a teaching ring. I'll take one more peek at the pasture. Kind of hard to see the horses from here, but they're grazing in the pasture. If you want any more information on this horse property or any other property in the Pinehurst, Seven Lakes area, Southern Pines, please call me or text 910-783-7993. Or you can check out my website, dawncrawleyrealty.com, or my blog, findpinehursthomes.com.